Are you looking for new construction that offers flexibility? Today we're going to take a look at the Meadowbrook built by Neal Communities located in SkySail. This is a great single-story floor plan. Let's go take a look.
The Meadowbrook is a thoughtfully designed two-story home that offers 4 bedrooms, multiple bathrooms, open concept great room, an upstairs loft or bonus area, a covered lanai, 2 or optional 3-car garage. On the first floor, you'll usually find a spacious great room, an open kitchen and dining area, strong sight lines to the backyard, and it has an easy indoor-outdoor connection. The layout is very practical. It feels open, but still defined. In many versions of this plan, the primary suite is located on the first floor, which gives you privacy from guest bedrooms, easy accessibility, comfort or retreat feel, and that's a major plus for seasonal and full-time residents alike. Like all homes in SkySail, the Meadowbrook allows for extended lanai options, pool and spa additions, outdoor kitchen possibilities, and large sliding glass doors. That indoor-outdoor flow is one of the biggest lifestyle advantages here in Naples, Florida. The upstairs is where this model becomes especially versatile. You'll get additional bedrooms, a loft or second living space, optional media or game room setup, and that makes it ideal for families, multi-generational living, or buyers who work remotely, or anyone hosting extended guests. This home works really well for growing families, buyers relocating full-time, snowbirds hosting long-term guests, buyers upsizing from smaller homes, and anyone wanting new construction without going oversized. It's flexible, livable, and future-proof. Many of my clients choosing this plan are coming from homes that are 15 to 25 years old, and they want smart home features, energy efficiency, impact-rated windows, updated kitchens and bathrooms, modern layouts, and no renovation surprises. And that's what makes SkySail attractive.
So if you'd like to see the Meadowbrook here at SkySail or compare it to other models similar to see which one fits your lifestyle, give me a call. My name is Chris Alley. I'm a certified luxury home specialist in Naples since the year 2000. People like you call me each and every day. I hope to hear from you soon. Bye for now.